Hi again, Federico.
Hello, Genevieve.
So we saw last time that we did a lot of adapters, and now we want to go even to the next level and bring more adapters in this video. Everyone remembers that we have this conveyor on the HMI. Maybe you can show us a small tour on the facility itself directly. Let's go there.
Yeah.
Now showing the video.
Okay, let's see how things work in the real stuff with the real physical demonstrator. See, all the conveyor and all the motors are stopped now. And as soon as I put the box next to the output photocell, we will see that this conveyor has started, but it is already stopped. And each conveyor starts only if it is receiving a box. Otherwise, it stops. Okay? And if I put another box in the ring, see here, see, it started, now it stops. It starts if it receives another box. It continues like that.
Back to studio, Federico. Now that you showed us in the plant, in the facility, let's have a look in the code in Automation Expert directly.
Yeah, of course. So the idea is that last time, okay, we created our conveyor logic, okay, and with this adapter, we were able to connect also the children, so the motor of each conveyor. Now, if you remember, we already created another higher level component, so the ring, okay. The idea is that somehow also the ring will do the same thing, but with conveyor, okay, not directly with motors, okay. To do it, of course, we will have to create a basic function block again dedicated to this specific task, and as you know, another adapter dedicated to this task. Okay.
So we can see here the modularity and the blocks going into blocks, or the component going into component. Yes. The same
Exactly.
design philosophy at each level or each layer. Very good.
Yes, that's very important. We can start changing a bit also the conveyor cut interface. So here in the functional input interface frame, we will have another adapter. Okay,
Yeah.
we will receive other command somehow. But first of all, let's create this object. So we can call it, for example, conveyor control. Okay. Very similar to the iControl motor of Green Library. Okay.
Yeah.
In this case, we can remove again all the event and variable, but let's already customize it. Okay. I want that from the parent, from the ring object, I give on-off command to the conveyor, okay, and also the real speed set point, okay. And probably inside the ring cut, there is the IDs, the operator, and some smart logic that we manage these variables, okay. So can have here a command and set parameters.
Okay.
Event, okay. And here, the typical on-off variable, Boolean, and the speed set point, real. So let's connect them, okay, and save. So now inside the conveyor, what we are going to do is to create in the socket here another input adapter, but of different type. It's not idle chain now, okay. It is the parent control adapter. And we just created the main iConveyor control. Okay. Let's say, let's go back to the cut, and here it is available. Okay. What we're going to do with this event, of course, we are going to connect them to the internal logic of the conveyor. Yes. Here inside the conveyor, we manage this signal and will pass it, of course, will pass them to the motor finally, of course. So we can have here the parent command, okay, and the parent parameters, okay, and also parent on off, and it is Boolean, and the parent speed set point. Let's connect them to the event as usual. Okay. I'm receiving command and parameters from above. Okay.
Okay. So now the core logics in the middle have all the information to trigger the right action at the right time, because he knows the previews, also the smart logic, so he can do the good decision. Very good.
Yeah. Let's go back to the ring, and you see here that now another input is available for our for each of our conveyor. Okay.
Yeah.
So as I told you, the idea is that we are going to create a new basic function block, and this time will be the ring logic. Okay. At the moment, let's leave only the init and inito event. But of course, now we are going to control each conveyor. So in a plug form, now we can create, for example, conveyor 1 control. Okay. We can create the conveyor 2, the conveyor 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7.
And the last one.
Finally. But of course, the most important thing is to update the type. Conveyor control for each of them. And only in this way, you will be able to connect the basic function block of the ring with each children, with each conveyor. Let's go back here. Okay. We can call it smart logic. In this case, our conveyor control goes here. And we can connect to the parent control input of each conveyor all these signals.
So here we really want to highlight the code structure that we are creating here. And with this code structure, in some project, it's already organized like this. And we can see that it scales a lot to have this way of having the logic in the middle, the children, and then the children have logic, and etc., initialization. So the key point is about the layout structure that we show here, and to be consistent in namings, or what you showed, Federico, on the way.
Yeah, this is the best way to apply the component-based approach we want to show in these videos.
And thank you very much. Let's see you in another video, maybe soon. Thank you very much, Federico.
I'm always available. Thank you, Denis.
Bye-bye.
Have a good day. Bye-bye.